Make a great choice today with the 2023 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.